In this video, I will show you how to restore old photos for free with AI using GFPGAN. Before we begin, make sure you hit subscribe and tap the bell icon to get daily tech videos. GFPGAN is a free and open source algorithm that aims to restore the faces in old blurry and slightly distorted photos. It basically takes a low-resolution old blurry photo and generates a high-quality image with face reconstructed. There are online hosted versions of this tool available. Or you can also run it locally on your computer as well. Open any of the online instances of this tool from its GitHub repository. Now wait for it to load. Upload an old blurry photo that you'd like to be restored. Click Submit and wait for a few seconds. It will generate the final high-quality image. Before starting the AI photo restoration process, you can opt to choose different parameters for scaling and version. That's it. This is all it takes to restore all photos for free using AI with this free open source tool. Feel free to explore other amazing tech videos on our channel. And don't forget to leave your comments and questions on them.